Hello Polyhedrons! We have launched a staking event where you can earn rewards by staking your ZKJ tokens. Currently rewards include ETHFI, ID, and Cyber. The total consideration will be more than $1 million based on the June 8, 2024 price. So how do you stake your ZKJ? Let me show you. Go to the official website of Polyhedra Network. Open the ZKJ tab and go to the staking section. Or go directly to the site. Great, we are on the staking site. Now we need to connect the wallet. In my case it is MetaMask. Next we go to the lock section. Now we have the staking panel. In the first line you need to indicate the required number of tokens that you want to stake. In my case these are all available tokens. In the second line, you need to indicate the unlock date. I choose July 11th. Now we have our indicators calculated, such as staking power and a PR%. Let's approve. Now we know the approximate amount of the commission. Click on lock. Great, you staked your tokens. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Here we see staking power, the number of tokens we staked, and lock date for our tokens, and other indicators. We also see a rewards section where our rewards will appear in the future. It seems to me that this is the ideal place where you can leave your tokens and also receive a reward. If you have any questions or problems, contact us on Discord. We will help you solve them. Have a great trip with Polyhedra Network.